A robot in every home. Elon Musk's vision. The future is automated. That was the message ringing clear at Tesla's We Robot event. Elon Musk, the driving force behind Tesla, took to the stage. He shared his ambitious plan, a future where robots are as common as cars. This wasn't science fiction, this was about real technology, ready to change the world. Musk's vision centers around accessibility. He envisions a future where owning a Tesla robot is as attainable as owning a car. This vision extends beyond personal use. Musk sees robots as essential in various sectors, from manufacturing to healthcare. The event served as a launchpad for this ambitious future, showcasing the potential of robots to reshape our world. The star of the show was undoubtedly Optimus. Tesla's humanoid robot isn't just a concept anymore. We Robot gave us a glimpse into Optimus's capabilities. The audience watched in awe as videos played on the big screen. Optimus moved with surprising grace. It folded laundry, its movements becoming more fluid and lifelike with each iteration. This wasn't pre-programmed choreography. This was learning in action. Optimus demonstrated its ability to adapt and perform everyday tasks. The message was clear. Optimus isn't just a tool for factories, it's a helper for your home, ready to assist with daily chores. The future of housework, it seems, is automated. The event wasn't solely focused on robots, it ventured into the realm of human augmentation. Musk unveiled groundbreaking technology brain implants that interact seamlessly with our devices. Imagine controlling your phone with just a thought, or navigating the digital world through an augmented reality overlay. This isn't fantasy, it's the future We Robot presented. These implants, controlled by devices like Apple Vision Pro and Amazon Alexa, hinted at a future where technology blends with our very being. The implications are vast. Imagine a world where disabilities are mitigated, communication is enhanced, and our understanding of the human brain takes a quantum leap forward. We Robot opened a window into this exciting, albeit slightly unnerving future. Section 4. The Race to Build the Future, Tesla versus Unitree. Tesla wasn't alone in its pursuit of robotic dominance. Unitree, a rising competitor, made its presence known at the event. They unveiled their own humanoid robot, a sleek machine boasting advanced capabilities. Priced at $16,000, this robot is nearing production, signaling a new era of accessible robotics. The competition is heating up. This rivalry isn't just about building robots, it's about shaping the future. Will Tesla's vision of affordable, widely adopted robots prevail? Or will Unitree's more specialized approach win out? We Robot provided a glimpse into this unfolding competition, leaving the audience eager to witness the next chapter in robotic evolution. Section 5. More than robots exploring Tesla's technological playground. We Robot wasn't confined to just robots and brain implants, it was a showcase of Tesla's diverse technological portfolio. The audience was treated to a glimpse of Nvidia's Project GR00T, a mysterious initiative hinting at groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence. Tesla also unveiled its latest innovations in autonomous vehicles, the robust Robovan and the futuristic CyberCab. These reveals highlighted Tesla's commitment to pushing technological boundaries across multiple domains. From revolutionizing transportation to venturing into the uncharted territories of AI, Tesla showcased its ambition to shape the future, one innovation at a time. We Robot served as a testament to the company's relentless pursuit of progress. Section 6. A glimpse into tomorrow's tech. We Robot wasn't just a showcase of Tesla's prowess, it was a window into the future of technology. The event buzzed with discussions about breaking free from the iPhone cycle and the lessons Apple could learn from Nintendo's innovative approach. Attendees had the opportunity to experience cutting-edge products firsthand. From the noise-canceling magic of Loop Dream earplugs to the high-tech sleep optimization of Nintendo's Alarmo, the event offered a glimpse into a world where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives. We Robot wasn't just an event, it was a portal to a future brimming with technological marvels, leaving attendees both excited and slightly overwhelmed by the possibilities.